The presentation, if you are connected, you go to zabas.com/money. And you put, and that's even another way of making money. Instead of presenting here, I just direct you to my site. While you are checking there, you will find something you are interested in, and I will get money. So all those are techniques of what? Getting money in your website. Do not just go and I can't use it.
Is it like that?
Yeah. Don't tell your friends that you are dangerous in making websites. Tell them I'm dangerous in making money online. I'm going to be quick.
What is the spelling of your domain?
ZA buys BUS.
BUYS.
S, yeah.
Slash money. You said slash money?
Of Zabas and Agrico. I'm a speaker, I'm a developer, and I'm an app developer. Some call me an engineer, but I'm an engineer without a degree. So, first of all, it's number one. It's about creating content and getting money with Google AdWords. Examples of when I talk of content, it's a huge thing. You may talk about blogging, or you may create any site, or you may create a webinar, or you may create a newsroom. As you see, these sites for Ukede, What New Vision, when you go there to read their articles, you see the ads from Google. That's all about making money. You not just make your website, make yourself happy. So that's first thing and the common one. And even those who have own sites that can't be advertised with Google, there is a company called Traffic Junk. Still you can get money from your any site. So there is number two. There is making your website a referral site. Still on that thing, the porn thing. Have you ever clicked a link to watch a porn movie? Then you are redirected to other sites other than remaining on that site and watch it from there. That's making your site a referral site. You just collect links from other sites. You make that task of advertising it or something to get visitors. Then you just get commission when someone buys something, a product from the other site, or buys a premium version like that. So you can be just there. You are just a referral man, a referral woman, just to make money. And really you can make more money, more than the owner of the other site where you refer your visitors. Another thing, sell your products on your own site. As we are here mainly how to make money, I can bring another example. There are these porn stars, not even porn stars, the celebs, as you see sometimes, they capture themselves when they are naked because they want to get popularity they put their nakedness in the social media. Many make it intentionally. But instead of doing that, just make a site and put there your nonsense. That's making money. If you want, you sell your video there. If a certain celeb does that, will become a billionaire in just a week. Yeah? You can. I'm just getting an examples, but there are many ways. So do not wait for the easy time to come. You can get money anyhow. This is making money. So another thing, it's number 4. Seek donations. Please, we are all about making money. What you can do, many have seen many sites. He gets photos, he proposes the content he's going to put on the website, that he is an NGO helping children, whether it's real or false. Someone agrees with the PayPal donation button. He makes an effort of advertising it. You know, mostly these whites do want to donate. They have money, they just looking somewhere to put it. Says, hey, his one is looking for, he's helping poor children. Hey man, so you find yourself you are getting money. I'm basically telling you how to get money. Whether positive or falsely what, but the tricks of getting money. You will look for an appropriate time to get money. You die while you are just a dangerous man in making websites, but when you are poor. Make a site like that, seeking help. Yeah. When it's real, that you're helping people, help people, at the same time, save for yourself. Those are tricks of making money online. Another thing is e-commerce. Make multi-vendor e-commerce. Change you make your site a multi-vendor e-commerce site. Like here, telling example of Zappos.com is a multi-vendor, Jumia, Alibaba, Amazon, on commission, but these sites are expensive. You have to be in position to cater the expenses because it's heavy. It contains a lot of products from different vendors. You have to host your dedicated servers where it can cost you more than 1.5 M every month. But it's another great way of making real money because you don't own products, you only get commission from any transaction that is made. That's another very great way. Let us make money out of websites, not being dangerous coders, dangerous web developers. No sense, It's all about money, for sure. Another thing is about you sell your website. Some people do design website, like they find like names that can push it to greater brand names. Like for example, this guy Elon Musk, who did a lot of websites, like he was with friends, they made people. But after people catching that, seeing that they can get a lot of money, just decided to sell the PayPal website. But you can find that he did start that website with their initial investment, like only $1,000, but they put a lot of $1 billion. Other than sticking with the website because you want to be talked about, you started this website and you die poor. When someone wants it, you make a website, fight for its popularity and brand and to be recognized, you will get money from it. And basically, the way the websites, it's about traffic. If you have a good domain or a brand and you have traffic in your website, that's a lot of money. If you have good traffic on your website and you have a good domain name and you want to get money out of it, if you don't have where to sell it, you contact me. I will guide you. Because I've done some things of the website. Another thing, I'm sorry, I'm quick, but another thing, sell ad space. You may have a good site with good content, like the newsroom, as I've told you, with these bookings, the new vision, they have sites, but sometimes you find ads which are not for Google, but they reserve a space, they press an ad for some companies, then they pay booking. Or like when you check Zaba.com, now we have ads from Orient Bank. Orient Bank, they give us some money. That's selling a space on your website, and you earn some money. Another thing, another one, the eighth, it's post webinars and sell something there. Have you ever found in town that you can find someone, the town, he comes with his few friends, he collects people, comes with his snakes there, he does some magics there, what he collects people, what you find yourself that you have gone around. Then he starts teaching about the people. This and this and this and this, without even pulling out something he's selling. In the end, you find that almost everyone who have been there in the sample has bought something from them. Then you transfer that knowledge online. You make it online. You go from one, the other one, tell your friends on this day and this, there is a webinar, ABC. Please, on this and this date, on this hour, you go online. It may look crazy, but you do most research and see how they do it, you will get good money. Another thing is about sponsored posts. This one resembles the selling ads, but this one, like the bloggers, you may find a blogger is talking about a certain company, abruptly find a blogger, is taking off the company from nowhere. That's money. Like for example, when you are on a radio or a TV and a presenter mentions a company when he's totally on a different topic, but unfortunately you hear is bringing in a mention of a certain product, that you can do it on your site. Another thing it's about is it's merging sites. How can you merge a site and you get money? For example, I'm just bringing a general example which anyone can know. Like for example, recently, Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, bought WhatsApp. But WhatsApp, really, it's just enjoyed by people. If you critically observe, you know that how these people are getting money from WhatsApp. Yes, they use a lot of input to use their servers to make WhatsApp a better place to be. But how did Mark Zuckerberg see it that merging Facebook and WhatsApp, it will bring Facebook, he will bring WhatsApp to make a lot of money, and in the future to make more money than Facebook does. Like for example, now in WhatsApp business, they brought a feature that you can list your products on WhatsApp Business, and you advertise directly from WhatsApp because it's the quickest tool to use, and you post the ads on Facebook. While seeing it that way advertising will be the quickest, he bought what? WhatsApp. That's another way of making what? Business. So, because of the time, on that link,
This one is a
yeah. That's the site. You Zabas.com, money, you'll see the rest there. I think, am I done?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.